Good morning students. Today we are going to study Unit 6 Careful Analysis. Activity 1. Remember that we said analysis is looking carefully at the details of something in order to understand the whole thing. We talked about the analysis, analyzing the poem, but we can analyze anything, even a picture. We just have to look very carefully. So let's see what is given over here. There is book. What if you see each and everything in detail, you will need a microscope or any kind of equipment to look after it. So when we will do a careful study, look, there is a scissor, there is a book, everything, there is a lens. We require to look carefully. So what is analysis? Analysis is looking very carefully at the details of something. Look, if something is there, analysis is what? Looking very carefully at something. This is what we can call something. So something in order to understand the whole. And now what? In order to understand the whole, we should have to look very carefully at the details. Like there is a scissor, there is a lens, there is a book, there is a stand. So what we are doing? We are looking very carefully at the details. Details means scissor is a detail. To understand the whole. Suppose this is a crime scene. Okay. Now, how can I say that it is a murder or the suicide? So, depending upon each and every details, which I will look very carefully, and I will understand the whole criteria that this is a mystery or a murder, is called analysis. Analysis is a whole useful way to find out more about any kind of source. Analysis is useful way to find out more about a kind of source, like more about it is a murder or it is a suicide. So analysis is really important. Now let's do another analysis. There is a picture given over here. This is a man who is climbing the rock. This is called as bouldering. Look, here is a truant. Truant is the place where the bouldering is done, but bouldering requires such a safety measures. But over here, there is no safety taken by this one, which says that he is a professional. He is not using any professional equipment or the gear. Okay, on your way up is written in the caption, bigger font with a question mark, and in cursive it has been written that we are already ahead. We are ahead. Now we can look that there are small rocks easily laying, and there is a grass grown everywhere. SS Sync company's name written. S is the logo which describes about the camera company. Now looking very carefully from behind, there is a fog, and at the same time there are mountains hidden on the back side of. Now these are the things which I have analyzed. Now you have to analyze and write everything. So what the book is saying, look at the picture. First we will describe it in general. It is an advertisement. It shows mountain environment with a man climbing a rock, and it has some words on it. Now activity 2. What you have to do in the activity 2? Now look carefully at the advertisement. Observe the detail. What are the words? क्या वर्ड्स हैं? 2 वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं हमने जो देखे, उसके बारे में बताना है. कर्सिव में है कि किस में है. व्हाट इज़ द मैन लाइक? आदमी कैसा है? आदमी एक प्रोफेशनल है हम कह सकते हैं. नीचे उसने कुछ सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट्स का यूज़ नहीं किया है, उसने टी शर्ट और एक चड्डा पहना हुआ है, शॉर्ट्स कहते हैं उसको। और व्हाट कलर आर यूज, कलर कौन से कलर से यूज़ हुए हैं टोटली उसमें अगर देखा जाए तो ब्लू है, ग्रीन है, ब्राउन है, ग्रे है, और यू हैव टू एनालाइज द रेस्ट। सो व्हाट कलर्स आर यूज, हाउ बिग आर द वर्ड्स, वर्ड्स कितने बड़े हैं, हाउ बिग इज़ द रॉक, कितना बड़ा रॉक है, हाउ मैनी अदर रॉक्स आर शोन, कितने सारे और रॉक हैं उसको आपको गिनना पड़ेगा केयरफुली, 1 2 3 4 5 6 करके टोटली गिन लो कितने हैं, और तुम्हें जितना लगता है उतना आपको लिखने की ज़रूरत है यहाँ पे। हाउ बिग आर द वर्ड्स, कितने बड़े वर्ड्स हैं, हाउ बिग इज़ द रॉक, रॉक कितना बड़ा है, रॉक तो बड़ा ही होगा, बहुत बड़ा होगा, लेकिन उसका 1/3 पोर्शन दिखाया होगा, वो आप लिख सकते हो। हाउ मैनी अदर रॉक्स आर शोन, और कितने सारे रॉक्स दिखाए गए हैं। व्हाट डू यू सी इन द फोरग्राउंड, आप आगे की साइड में क्या देख सकते हैं, तो आगे की साइड में हमें घास दिख रही है, रॉक्स दिख रहे हैं, वो लिख सकते हैं हम। व्हाट इज़ इन द बैकग्राउंड, बैकग्राउंड की साइड हमें फॉग दिख रहा है, माउंटेन्स दिख रहे हैं, हम ये लिख सकते हैं। व्हाट डू यू सी इन द ग्रासेस, ग्रासेस अनइवनली बने हुए हैं ऑन द माउंटेन्स, माउंटेन्स के ऊपर हमको क्लाउड्स भी दिख रहे हैं और थोड़े बहुत माउंटेन्स दिख रहे हैं। फर्स्ट वी विल हैव राइट 10 डिटेल्स ऑन द चार्ट। सो आपको क्या करना है, ये सबको पूरा फिलअप करके होमवर्क में दिखाना है। अब मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द 2 एडवर्टाइजमेंट दैट हैव बीन गिवन इन एक्टिविटी 3। एक्टिविटी 3 इज शोइंग समथिंग, वर्क टुगेदर। लव what is given over here, there is an advertisement, when guest comes home give them the best top taste dal. So this is a dal advertisement. Work together with a partner and a group to find out and think about the advertisement. Sit together to look at the ads and discuss the question. Look, the guests are coming at home, look at his smile, and the guests are also smiling because they like the dal. So this is an advertisement for dal. Another one is what? Show your child you care, express your love afresh, and there is a soap given here. So this is a soap advertisement. So you have to write it as an homework. So activity 1, 2, activity 3 you have to complete, and till activity 4. Activity 4 is showing the same picture and you have to give the detail. What do you think the advertisement is trying to sell? As I previously told that it is trying to sell a camera because it has a logo of S. So you have to write it down over there. So here we conclude. Have a nice day.